Hello and welcome to another video of the OpsTaskBoard series. My name is Thomas Kim from Aviolytics, and today we will talk about the portal. The portal is basically the first page you will see after logging into your OTB. And right here in the middle you can find the board section where every board is representing a department of your company. For example, I enter OCC Munich, then you can see the typical Kanban board view of that department. I will talk about the board and its options in more detail in a separate video. And below the boards you can find the so-called active special occurrences. What is a special occurrence? It is simply put a task, just bigger and more complex, where several departments are involved, several subtasks are generated out of this special occurrences, where many people are involved and need to communicate and upload attachments, and you would like to get an overview about the status of all the subtasks related to this special occurrence. So since this is all too much for a simple task in the Kanban board, we decided to create the special occurrence for that. Based on the current customer, we defined three different types. One is material request, then we have the technical occurrence and a diversion. On the left hand side, on the upper menu, we can create a new board. For example, another department of your company wants to get a board in the OTB, then you can give a name and add a new board. Additionally, we can also create a new special occurrence where we define and link a board to it, which is obviously one of the boards we have already added. So for example, here I select MOC, then we can select the type. As mentioned, we have currently three different types, and we can give it a name here. On the right hand side of the upper menu, we have the special occurrence archive, where every completed and finished special occurrences will be moved to and archived so that they will be accessible at all times, even they are done and completed. Then right next to it, we have the option to set the time zone, either local or UTC. So depending on your preferences, all the timestamps across the boards will be in local or UTC. The user setting allows you to add your email address here and set notifications. Here you can select among several options to get notified to your email address. And last but not least, we have this setting icon here on the right hand side where we can add a label. Here we can set a category for it, which is a free text field, and a name where you can also write anything you want. The current customer, as you can see here, is using the labels for their aircraft registrations. And on the right hand side here you can also link it to an icon and a color. So how is this label being utilized? Let's go into OCC Munich, for example. There you can see this task here having the label Delta Alpha India Alpha Foxtrot, which is an aircraft registration. So this task is basically linked to that aircraft. Here you can get some statistical insights about how often this label was used and utilized in the task. So you can define a time window and get a visualization of the usage of the labels, how often they were used, and so on. So you don't have to use the labels only for aircraft registrations. For example, you can use it for APU failure, and then you can see with this statistical insights how many tasks are related to an APU failure during that time window you are defining on top here. Yeah, this is the last option here on the upper menu, and we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you.